Hey guys, I'm Lama here, and welcome back to another video. Now, today we'll be doing a couple. Why are we doing this? So yeah, welcome to a modern survival. No, I thought I was recording before. That's why I have all this weird stuff on and everything. So I thought I was recording before, and I wasn't. So I'm just gonna start off here because I am so sad I'm not restarting. So here we are. My inventory's a junk. I just made the arcane compendium for compendium. Okay, I didn't even see the end. Then I go back and I remember I saw the end. What is that? Oh, is that the fossils thing? Oh yeah. So this is basically. It is. I knew it. This is oh god, let me fix that lag. Let me see. My FPS is 22. What the heck? That's better than me playing normal Minecraft. Oh, 20. Oh my god. Hey, that's better than me playing normal Minecraft. Let me just video setting 60. Back to 60, and then I like to be a little bit dark, but not too dark. Do that. Alright, so here we are. We're in the game. What is this? 10. So let's just get started. Alright, okay, so this is what I found. I found a life dream scepter. This thing is so awesome. Look at that. Boom! It drains their health. Look at it. Pig. 1 heart down. Look at that. And then you're like, you can do it again. And it gives, I'm pretty sure it gives you health too. And stuff like that. So, yeah, but I need a, oh, what was that? Redstone? What the heck? Oh, yeah, we need that. We need that. We really need that. We don't really need gold coins, do we? No, I don't think we do. And oh, look what just happened to roll up. Okay, look at the lag. Look at that lag. For sure, I have like one more modifier on my pickaxe, so I could probably do that. Music sound. No, music and sound. Let's go. Friendly creatures, ambient environment, players, all the way down, jukebox, blocks. So let's just look around here. What the heck is that? Is that an ostrich? Okay, I had to reload. My FPS is going down really bad. Okay, that's not good. That's not good. Back to 5. Should be good. I do not understand why my game is not working. Oh, there we go. Alright, good enough. What is that? What is this? A yellow chocobo. Oh my god, it's like the YouTuber chocobo. That's so funny. That's how he based his character off of a chocobo. I didn't know that was actually a real thing. So if we have a witch house. Right here. Ooh, this chest. Iron shovel. Spruce sapling. I need to set up base somewhere because I am like dying to get started with magic. And Jay here. Yes, we're not using Ray's minimap. This is like Journey's map or Journey map or something like that. So this might look a little weird to you, but it's okay. It makes sense. You turn around and go this way. This way. This way. Alright, no, go this way. Alright. Oh yes, and my boots give me jump boost. Look at that, jump boost forever. So as long as I have the boots, I have jump boost. Which is excellent there. Wow. And they're light jump boots, so I can take less fall damage. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. But if you go like really high up in the air and you fall down, you're gonna get hurt. So you gotta be careful. Of course. What the heck? I keep on finding these things over here. There's coal in it. Is that it? Oh yes, and there's lucky blocks in. Oh my god, hats. Where's that hat? Oh my god. Oh, that's what's his name off of YouTube? God, so many YouTubers I know. How did I not kill that thing? Oh, come here. You do not want to mess with the rock. Chip UK. That's a guy? What the fuck? I thought it was somebody else. I'm just stupid. We need this lapis. And then what are these used for? Stone javelin? I don't know, are they weapons? Where are they? Oh my god, they are. Oh, cool. Hey, you might want to give me that. Oh. Oh, look at that. So cool. Bam! I can hit everything with this. What can we hit? Yes, all squid ready. So they basically only fall down. Oh wow, they replace each other. That's why I didn't pick up all. Okay. Appreciate me. Can you pick them up? Yeah, you can't. Good. Whew, I don't want them. So we need redstone and lapis for my pick. And, ooh, lapis can be used for my... What the heck? I had 2 slots open. Arrows, get out of here. I don't need you. What the heck? Oh, javelin. Get out of here. Don't want you. You know what you're having right now? I mean, I'm sorry, I'm sick. If I do anything, because I'm do it like if I sound really weird, like, or like, ha. Oh God, I'm so sorry. If I just headphone users might want to buckle up. We need gold for making casts and stuff like that. I'm almost an expert at Tinker's Contracts, so yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh, amber. Yeah, that looks like amber. I was like, hey, is that amber? It looked like amber. And that's from Tinker's Contract, right? No, Thaumcraft. Yes, Thaumcraft. Tinker's. They both started with T's, and I was like, oh yeah, it's from Tinker's Contract. But it's not. It's not Aaron. It's Thaumcraft. Thaumcraft is stuff to do with diamonds. Swag. I like this. What the heck? Why is there diamonds at the surface? Oh, is that part of the surface ores something mod? Something like that. Diamonds, yay. More diamonds. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, it's everywhere. Holy crap. We'll be mining forever. Yeah, we won't have to be mining at all. We're just gonna find everything at the surface. Trying to save me time. Thanks, game. Being nice and saving me time. Because I do not have time for mining. Okay. Okay, let's get out of here. Ooh. I only came down here for redstone, and now all of a sudden we start finding diamonds. What the heck? I can easily jump out of here, but I'm gonna use my sword. Yes, my sword has like this really weird jump. Oh, I can just literally no. I can literally just hop out of here. Watch. Whew. Look at that. But I'm like gotta. Oh wait, go down. Look at that. See that? I can jump so many blocks. Probably go. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I'm gonna live here. Right there. I like it. Ooh, look at that. Almost. Actually, I could have, but I like, stopped because I didn't want to die. I'm in the ground too hard. Let's look inside here. Oh, yep. I'm living here. I don't know what a work table does, but it's like really weird. Get some trees. Oh, actually, do we have diamond? Yes, I do. Oh God, I have 19. Jesus. A little too overpowered there. Jungle wood? Like, what the heck? Why is that here? No. Jungle leaves. There's everywhere. Alright, let's do this. Oh, nope. Just need sticks. That's all we need is sticks. I have a lot of things I have to empty out of my inventory. And bam, bam, bam. And then we'll get rid of. What should we get rid of inside my inventory? I'm probably gonna be doing anything with dinosaurs, so I'm obviously gonna get like rid of that. That's just really stupid. And I don't need it. So you. What else? What else is in my inventory that involves dinosaurs? Nothing else? That's what I thought. We need lava. We need water. I'm gonna wash it into the sea or the lake. And luckily, I have. Whoops. Just trying to organize my inventory. I have a bucket. So let's just do that. Goodbye, stuff. Into the water you go. Why are you still here? Away. Right, good. Cool. Let's put some stuff inside my bar and get my essentials out. Get my axe. And then that should be good. Let's look at this. Ars Magica. Using this compendium. Okay, let's go. Ars Magica began as my first foray into modding. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I have been developing software professionally for about 11 years as AM2's release, but haven't done much game design. I love the game of Minecraft, but I felt it would be perfect place for a magical world. So I began, and who would have thought I would enjoy it so much? I have spent literally hundreds of hours. Next page. Developing AM1 and AM2, which is Ars Magica 1 and Ars Magica 2. With some good tutorials and a bit of luck, I managed to figure out how to write AM1. Now I have taken what I learned, solved some of the problems then came up and probably introduced twice as many more, and have made Mars. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I keep on repeating myself. Keep on repeating. I'm kidding. I want to thank. What? Oh wait. And have made Ars Magica 2. I want to thank. Oh my god! All of it's so hard to read with this texture pack, so I'm not used to it. Mod come to be what it is today. My beta testers, everyone who helped me with the code, models, and texturing. This wouldn't be what is without you. And to you, the player, I hope that you have as much fun playing this mod as I did making it. Happy casting. Beautiful. Oh, we still need the book. Whoops. Alright. Using compendium. Using this compendium. Compendium is a setup, unlock, and trees, and you prefer. I hope you guys can read that. Pause the video and read it. Pause the video, read it. Alright, let's see. The Ars Magica UI. The Ars Magica UI, the act of picking up a compendium as... Dude, I think my penis just fell asleep. That's weird. The arcane magics within you. Oh, within you. Whoops. You now have the Ars Magica 2 HUD activated to AMU. Oh, okay, there it is, right on the sides there, like over here, where like, see my pickaxe, right? See, look at the pickaxe and look at the bar right there, and on the other side, I have it right next to where I have my armor on, and my pickaxe, like right there. The rest is 88 damage, or 88 durability left. Wait, is that to see Goku armor? What the heck? Goku armor, I just saw you. Where are you? Yeah, I looked up rings. I was gonna get a flying ring soon. Because I got another star. Oh, your first spell. To make a spell, you will first need to create an Oculus unlock at least one spell shape and one. Okay, we need Oculus and inscription table. Okay, so whoops. Let's do this. Oculus. Is that it? There it is. Alright, see. Chiseled stone, chiseled stone bricks, mossy stone. Does it have to be that? Or it could just be stone bricks. Glass. Wait, go back. Oh my god, no. Coal, blue topaz. Jesus, that was the stuff we passed. Wait, I think that's some right there. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, blue topaz is right there. Duh. Let's get it. Because we need it. What's that gold? Dude, so much stuff. I'm so not used to this texture pack. Oh, we know what we need. That stone. Never mind. Oh my god. Too many things I need. I think we're just gonna yellow it. Wait, was that Ars Magica? Oh, it was. Shimmerite. Shimmer me timbers. Alright, so what we need is a furnace. And for a furnace... I'm so sorry, I'm sick. Like, I have a really, really, really bad cold. So if I like start doing that, like that, all the time, I'm sorry. My nose, it's clogged. I can't help it. That's lithium conduit, mana battery, particle emitter. Wait, is that what we use for the Oculus? With glass. Okay, it's glass. But so I was like, if that's a particle emitter, I swear. Wait, did we get enough stone? Yes, we do. We have enough stone. Let's get some stone. Pretty sure we can make like an iron furnace or something like that. What is it? Dark matter furnace, demon, blood altar. Whoa! Oh, we need stone for that. Oven. Washing machine, dishwasher, oven, minecart with furnace. Alright, nothing much. Nothing. You can't use it for anything. Let's just, I think I have coal. No, I don't. Let's go over here and get some coal. Actually, let's get some wood. Please, vein miner. Please, vein miner. Yeah! Okay, there is vein miner on this. So that's a plus. Let's go vein mine then. Let's do this. Get a bunch of stone. Oh, I think you can only do it with a normal pickaxe. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Alright, let me go get a diamond pickaxe. Because I have so many diamonds, I can make diamond armor. Oh, I should make diamond armor. I gave myself idea. Great. Vein miner, please. And don't mine out the hunter. Don't mine out the hunter. Wait, what did that say? Getting an upgrade. Wait, what shift is it? Ah, what shift? What shift? Ah! Alright, vein miner, level 2. I think it only works at trees. Unless we have tree catapitator mod installed, and then we can do that. Nope. It's vein mine. Definitely vein miner. Alright, let's get a 2 chests. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. I'm so sick. And plus it's raining. It was like, dude, it was like freaking, like when I say it's raining, oh my god, dude, it was raining like nothing before. And then, oh, could we just use wood since we have so much? Yeah, let's just use wood. Cobblestone. Oh, let's go get some more cobble. Wait, does it go faster with this? Let's see. 1, 2. Okay, so 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, that's the same. Alright, so now we know that's the same. Yes. This is faster. Oh yes, we need a crafting table. Let me just get some out of here. Yeah, don't need that much. Yes, crafting station. Oh, that's not the one we needed. Now, what is it? It just looks cooler. Why do I have cobblestone? Please put that there. And put the rest of that in there. Yes, we need this. I'm pretty sure you just put it in squares like that. Yep, stone bricks. Alright. Oculus. Let's see. Bam. We need the stone bricks. And then we need coal. Okay, that's the thing we forgot. And glass. So, okay, let's empty out my inventory first. Let's just, boom. No. Wait, what? A dropper, you can make a lucky block. Would I just like, boom. How do I do that? How do I Boom, 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 boom. Basically, just put everything in there and find all the stuff we need. Like, alright, so let's take that. Let's take that, take that, take that. Wait, no, don't need that. Take that, take that, take that, take that. Need my arcane book. I guess we'll make the smeltery. Or the smeltery setup. And we'll take the diamonds, that, emerald, and there. So we'll just hit that. And then do it like that. Right. Okay, so let's place this down. I'm pretty sure you can't really use it for adding upgrades, can you? But wait. Yeah, so we need coal. Let me fix that because I just messed it up. Ridiculous. I'm surprised we spelled it right. Is that coal? Oh my god, yeah, it's coal. But I think there's some coal in here, right? Yep, there is. I knew it. Right, let's get this coal. And then we're gonna make the Oculus. Is that really it? Okay, that's it. Oh my god. So, yeah, let's go over here. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Like, this might be a really long episode, isn't it? Yep, it's gonna be a really long episode. Knew it. Called it. Knew it. Called it. Let's see. Oculus, don't tell me. Oh, we have the right amount. Okay. I forgot the blue topaz. Oh my god, we're so stupid. Jesus. Let me get that. Let me just. I took half of it for some reason. I don't know why I didn't take like one piece. Alright. Let me figure out stone bricks too. Oh my god. Need to fix that. And the glass. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Nope, stop smelting. I need that one piece of sand I picked up. So I decided to take a sip of my drink. Let's do that. Boom, boom, and then boom. Bam, bam, wait, bam, wait, no, bam. Wait, that looks kind of cool. Look at that. Bam, and then coal, and then bam, Oculus. Wait, no. Whoa. No way it keeps inside. Are you saying we can make a penis? Wait. Okay, sorry. I had to. It's my duty. So tedious. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, so here it is. Projectiles. Go offense, defense, or utility. Offense. I think we're on offense. Offense. Gravity not learned. Physical damage. Bounce. Gravity. And then what was the next thing we need? It was like there was a inscription table. I think that's inscription table. So this. Oh, we need a spell parchment. Oh, that's just sticks and paper. Oh, luckily we have a bunch of paper. A torch, a feather, and slabs and 2 wood. Easy. Now we need coal. So let's just Go over. Wait. Now, I think there was still coal in there. I just didn't see it. Like, oh, see, up there was. Ha 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 ha. Knew it. Knew it. Knew it. Like, I was just, see, if people like get really mad at me because I'm like, I don't see something, I'm not like that. I go back. I was like, oh, wait, I did see it. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, because you guys are hearing these weird noises. It's just really weird. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. Oh, let's get that. We have 9 coal. Okay. We need the sticks. Wait, what does a stick look like on him? Oh, you can't see it. That's really cool. It keeps its shape. Let's make some torches. Okay, and then let's get the wood. Make some inventory. Make some slabs. Nope, that's not how you make slabs. Okay. Right, let's make this. Wait a minute. No way that was. That's what it was. Oh my god. It was there the whole entire time. That's how you made it. Whoa, that's a table. Okay, that's how you make a table. We need an inscription table. Alright. Oh, we need a scroll. Yeah, let me go get that. Look how cool that looks. 3D blocks too. Oh, swag. Paper. Yeah. Make a scroll. Make it. I said. Let's make a scroll. Let's get more sticks. And we need scrolls, so we can just make that. Bam, bam, 3 scrolls. And then let's do that. Shabam, shabam a lot of boo boo. Let's do that. That, and we forgot the feather. What does it look like from like down here? Probably looks really cool. What does the Oculus look like inside? That's kind of off to the side. That's kind of weird. We're gonna put the Oculus back down. Well, what else did we need? We need like feathers. Luckily, I don't have any. Jesus. Okay, let's go find some chickens. Gotta go find some chickens. Gotta go find some chickens. Gotta go find my chickens. Chickens. Okay. I'm gonna find some chickens. Gotta go find some chickens. Gotta go find some chickens. Where are the chickens at? Where are the chickens at? Boy. I need all the chickens. I need all the chickens. Oh, drop feathers. Alright, mister. Die. How much health do you have now? Oh. Chocobo feather. It's a chocobo feather. Does it count as a normal? Oh, god dang. Oh, you can make a chocobo whistle. Make him that. They're so cute. Chocobos are so cute. Am I blowing in it? Chocobo, 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 chocobo. Oh my god, it's so cute. So cute. Okay. So chocobos are cute. Are really cute. Keep that in mind. Chocobos are cute. And we need a feather. There's no going back. Oh my god. 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 We need a feather. Ha 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 ha. So at first, I thought they loved me. Oh no, I'm not eating the chocobo. That's too cute to eat. I'm not eating it. I'm a vegetarian. If I have to eat chocobos, I'm reverting to a vegetarian. Chicken. And I'm gonna wreck them. Him. Dude, I missed every shot. Dude, calm down. Dude, stop moving. Did I kill him? Dude, stop. Calm down. Calm down. Off. God. Yay, feathers. Alright, fine. Go back. We're back to our little island. Yo, you mateys, we're back to our little island. This place is truly amazing. Let's finally do this. Oh yeah, put all these right next to each other because it will look good. We can make Ars Magica, like a little house, like a little hut for Ars Magica. Let's create that right over here. Right, let's do this. And then we go, and we also go like, wait, stick the delete. Alright, there we go. And we also go. We break all that. And then let's just create this by placing. Okay, oh, there we go. That's cool. Okay, so we're here. Okay, so we need a book and quill, which I think I have in my chest. Yippa doodles, I do. Let's organize my chest real quick. Bam. Alright. And then organize my inventory. Alright, yep. Let's do it. And we need the Oculus. I think we'll make a little podium for the Oculus. Like that. Bam, look at that. Cute. I like it. It's cute. Physical damage. I want to test out gravity. So let's do projectile. Bam. Gravity. Bam. Name. Bam, wait, no. Bam, no. Bam, no. Swag. What do I do? Okay, now another one. Add a bunch of projectiles or something. How many projectiles can I add? Like, Jesus. I have a lot. Wait, this obviously doesn't work. What do I do? Lol. Physical, fit, phys, fit, fit, fit. Oh, maybe it's just because gravity. What the heck? Why isn't it working? Swag. Crap. I don't know. Why isn't it working? Why aren't you working? Huh? Alright, okay, so, anyway, we're gonna do this. Jesus. Alright. Oh my god, I just brought myself in. First spell. Shape groups. Create shape groups of dragging shapes and or modifiers from the source of reason to any shape groups in the UI. You can group some same spell by default. Each shape group can have up to 4 shapes. Crafting altar. Blank rune. Crafting altar. And crafting altar. We need a crafting. Crafting, you know, craft. God. Crafting altar. Let's see. Crafting altar. Uncrafting table. Ooh. Where's that? Twilight. Crafting table. And maze map focus. Okay. Crafting altar. Let's go. Altar. You know, crafting altar. Vintium dust and 1 stone. Okay, Vintium dust. Where did we get Vintium dust from? That's okay. I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'm gonna set a waypoint. Name will be Wizard Home. Wait. Wizard Home. There we go. Color will be red. No. Purple. Purple seems like a kind of wizard thing. And save. Whoa, look at that. It's so cool. Is there like a settings thing I can go through to mess around with that? Maybe. Actions. Alright. I guess that's it for today. Let's show our little book why we're getting here. Let's go in our crafting altar place. Yep. Yo, here we are near our crafting altar, and I guess we're gonna leave off. And if you guys like the video, like and subscribe, and then I'll make more videos just like this, and hopefully I will do the next episode after, like, maybe when I get home from school today. I'll make next episode. So yeah, I will see you guys later.